Hello to all interior design enthusiasts. Today we are diving into a stunning and elegant project. We are going to transform a beautiful villa using the neoclassical style, a perfect blend of classic elegance and modern simplicity. Ready? Let's go step by step to create this luxurious design. Step 1. Empty space and design concept. In the first step, we are working with an empty and simple space, like a blank canvas waiting to become a masterpiece. Our plan is to fill this space with neoclassical charm. The goal is to create an environment that is both serene and luxurious. This style, with its symmetrical lines, intricate details, and thoughtful use of colors and materials, brings a unique character to any space. Step 2. Flooring and wall details. Now let's move on the main structure. For the flooring, we've chosen white and black marble tiles, arranged in a checkerboard pattern to add a luxurious feel to the villa. On the walls, we added elegant modeling and classic paneling, complemented by a stylish baseboard to complete the look. The stairs are also clad in the same white and black marble, maintaining harmony throughout. We use black frames for the windows and doors, creating a striking contrast with the creamy wall colors for visually appealing harmony. Lastly, we installed spotlights to highlight the beauty of the space and ensure proper lighting. Step 3. Furniture arrangement and final touches. Now for the most exciting part, furnishing and accessorizing. Living area. We use modern furniture with luxurious fabrics. Fireplace zone, decorated with cozy and inviting arrangements. And the entryway was completed with a closet and a small sitting area. Dining and TV rooms, both we carefully furnished to maintain balance and harmony. In the kitchen, we installed sleek yet elegant cabinets. One of the standout features of this design is the high ceilings and tall arched windows, which allow natural light to flood in and elevate the beauty of the space. This design perfectly combines beauty and functionality. If you are a fan of neoclassical interiors or are planning to renovate your home, share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more exciting projects. See you in the next video.